instead of using these cough sweets. Think about this extraordinary way. Here's 3 ways that actually work and are science backed. Number 1, you might know this. This is using raw local honey. Maybe a tablespoon every meal or a few times a day. It really does work. Number 2, hot drinks such as lemon or chamomile tea with a bit of ginger infused with that. Again, it really does work. And number 3, it's gargling hot, salty water. This actually does work again and actually improves issues to do with phlegm or coughing up, especially with a sore throat. So try these out instead of going for these cough sweets. It's just loaded in sugar and garbage.